Vanakkam. I am Kumar Venkatakrishnan. I am Market Business Development Manager in Ozone Engineers. Ozone Engineers, we are manufacturer and exporters of ozone generators for water and air application. Now in this current situation of coronavirus, everybody is keen in sterilizing the air, like the ambient air, the office spaces, malls, shops, hospitals, hotel rooms and everything. So ozone is one of the device by which we can sterilize the rooms and other areas. Ozone is nothing but an enriched oxygen. So we convert oxygen into ozone. Ozone is basically O3. This O3 is made from O2. By giving high voltage of electricity to the O2 atom, it split into O1. The splitted O1 is joined with other O2 and O3 formation is happened. So this ozone basically has a character of killing all the bacteria, viruses which is present in and around the atmospheric conditions as well as in the water. So we ozone engineers have come up with a new product for air sterilization, that is mobile air sterilizer. This mobile air sterilizer has a unique feature that it gives ozone as output, okay, and after that it has got a ozone destruction process also. And we have an inbuilt ozone sensor in this model. I will tell you why we have all these things in this system. So generally ozone will kill all the bacteria, viruses, as we know. You can search in all the Google this thing. So what happens now if we have a 500 or 750 square feet area where we have to do disinfection? Okay, we take this machine inside the room and we switch it on the machine. And here we have one question, like in how much of dosage, that in how much of ppm this bacteria and viruses are get killed. So for that, no, the minimum ppm should be maintained is 0.2 to 0.5. In 0.2 to 0.5 ppm of ozone, so no bacteria will withstand. There is a thumb rule. Okay, so this in this machine we have an inbuilt sensor, okay, which will sense the ozone, ambient ozone, how much ozone is there inside the room. Depending upon that, the operation has been made. So once what happens, no, if we on this machine and we set the ppm level as 0.5 ppm in the machine. So when we switch on the machine, this machine is kept on. It will be running till the ozone level reaches 0.5 ppm in the ambient air. When it reaches 0.5 ppm, immediately this ozone which is blowing out from the machine will stop and the ozone destruction process will start. So whatever the ozone is come out in the atmospheric air, it will suck again and it will convert that ozone to oxygen and blow it out. So this is one added feature in that. So as per the OSHA standard, okay, 0.02 ppm is there inside the room, means any human being can enter. So up to that ppm, the destruction cycle will on, and after that it will off automatically and give a buzzer alarm that you are ready to enter the room. So this is the system. I will show you how it works. Okay.